Ready, like, ooh, where you at? You supposed to be here. So we got one more thing we want to do. We've done some original music, y'all, and it's a little. Let's see if I can remember the words. I never do, y'all. The song is called You. It's that Midwest thing. For those of you that like to step, two-step, hand dance, ballroom, check it out.
Ain't nobody but you.
See, we want to take the time to say how wonderful you are. Drop it, Reggie.
Far beyond what I could ever imagine.
Somebody thought Luther just dropped in the room.
And deeper than my eyes can see. Your love has given me a touch of heaven. And it keeps on surrounding me. I can see my life different. You know, you've always been there when I needed you. Love like this can't be explained. But you say the same. Your love is nobody but you. You make me feel something so special inside. Ain't nobody but you. I can't conceal your love. Your love has changed my life, and it's all because of you.
Greater than this simple emotion, stronger than my words can never explain. Love like yours, it comes all the commotion that this world sometimes can bring. Yeah, yeah.
I can't see my life without you. You've always been there when I needed you. Love like this can't be explained. What you say, the same. Your love, ain't nobody but you. Something so special inside. Ain't nobody but you. I can't conceal your love. Your love has changed my life.
Y'all do me a favor, stop and spell it like this.
You make me feel something so special inside. Ain't nobody but you. I can't conceal how your love has changed my life. Oh yeah, you're the only one. You're my life, my dream, my everything. You're the only one. The only one. I love you. You're the only one.
You're the only one, yeah.
You're the only one. The story of my every fantasy. I love you. Ain't nobody but you. You make me feel something so special inside. Ain't nobody but you. I can't conceal. Your love has changed my life, and it's all because ain't nobody but you.
That's that driving, house cleaning music, y'all. That's real music, y'all. that how you feeling? Come on, Reggie, take them back, man. Show them how you feeling. See if y'all remember this. Yep.
If y'all know it, sing it with us. Come on, y'all. Happy feelings in the air, touching people everywhere. Yeah, plenty love and everything. Listen to the people sing.
Y'all do me a favor and let me welcome back the rest of the cast members. Miss Carla, Miss Anita, and Derek. Y'all come back on stage, y'all. Y'all give them a hand as they're coming back. Didn't they do awesome on tonight?
You got bro.
So what we want to do, we want to take you back to the beginning. So we're going to end with the beginning for us, y'all. It's about to make sense, I promise. Bishop, this is called Turning the Corner, right?